Hey guys, Box Breakers here, and today we got a couple boxes of 2020 Topps Inception. 7 cards per pack, 1 auto per box. Let's get these things open and see what we get. Joined a community break on 101 Card Shop about a few days ago and got a Bo Bichette out of 50 orange. Auto on card. Let's see if we can't get something like that. Maybe we'll get the Vladimir Guerrero, maybe the Aquino, maybe the Alvarez. But we're looking for one of the big guys. Alright guys, we got our 2 packs here. Let's get ripping. Alright, first up. First up, guys. We got a Jacob deGrom green. Jacob deGrom green, guys. And look at the stock on these cards. Pretty thick. Here's the back for you. Jacob deGrom, green. We got George Springer, green. Not really fond on my Astros players, but George Springer nonetheless. AJ Puck, rookie card. Nice base card there. A Zach Collins, rookie card. Inception's pretty rookie heavy, so we'll probably be getting lots of rookie cards. Francisco Lindor, not bad. Another rookie Anthony K. And our auto is out of 245. Who's it going to be? It's a White Sox. I'm guessing probably Dylan Cease. And it's a Dylan Cease rookie auto, guys. Not bad at all. Not bad. So that's our first hit. Let's go on to number 2. See if we can't one-up that one. Alright, Nick Solak, rookie card. Walker Buehler. Mauricio Dubon, rookie. Getting some good rookie cards here. Michel Baez. Alright guys. We got a numbered purple. Luis Castillo out of 150. That's a nice one there. And an AJ Puck rookie green. Not bad at all. Alright, here is our patch or auto card. Feels like a patch. And it's going to be a patch card of an Arizona Diamondback. It's probably Leba. Let's see. It is a Leba. I just keep on guessing right. It's a 3-colored patch, stripe in the center, out of 155 auto, guys. Not a bad card at all. Rookie Domingo Leba. So there's our 2 hits. 2 boxes. Dylan Cease rookie auto, on card auto, and sticker auto patch card. Domingo Leba. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and be on the lookout for more Inception videos coming out soon. This is Box Breakers. We'll see you next time.